Welcome back. Lots to talk about this morning. I want to talk with you about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. I want to talk with you about some questions that I heard from the sale last week that is still relevant for today and going forward, so I want to address that. I want to talk about how to use all of that Walgreens cash that we likely got last week from that amazing sale. At the end of the video, I will show you pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Tons of clearance throughout the store, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll have pictures for you. This past week was crazy. So yes, there was a lot of Walgreens shopping going on because there were deals every single day. But it was also my son's birthday week, so that was a fun day. It's also show week for him, so we had tech rehearsals every day. He had a show on Friday, he had a show on Saturday, he has a show today. Pretty much as soon as I finish this, I have to shower, get ready, and go to that. He is Pinocchio in the production of Shrek, so that's been super cute. But I also had to finish my 2022 taxes. I had a ton of deadlines. My dryer went out. Last week was just, I don't want to do that week again. But the sweet thing among all of the crazy, someone reached out to me on Instagram and said, "Hey, I appreciate you and I would like to treat you to coffee. Send me your Venmo." How sweet is that? And so I thought about it for a while and I'm like, you know what? I will. I'll send her my Venmo. So I did, and she sent me money to buy myself a treat, and thank you so much for that. It really meant a lot and it made me feel appreciated. So thank you. Super sweet. Every time y'all tell me you appreciate me, it means a lot to me. So thank you for that. All right, let's talk really quick about last week and some of the things that I've heard questions on. Now, one of the offers last week was get $20 in Walgreens cash when you do 3 different offers. Now, I did 3 different offers, right? I always try to be the guinea pig for you guys. I have not gotten the $20 in Walgreens cash, but the fine print of that offer says it will be in your account within 14 days. So obviously it hasn't been 2 weeks, so we have to wait the 14 days before we flip out because that's what the fine print says. So I should get $20 for doing 3 different offers. Now, there was another offer that was $15 in Walgreens cash when you turn on notifications. That one also says awarded within 14 days. So let me know if you've gotten either of those offers in your account yet. I have not, but we can talk with each other and kind of see how it's going. I will let you know when it hits for me, or if it doesn't hit for me, I will keep you updated on that. I feel like there was something else I wanted to tell you. Oh, Walgreens cash. So lots of comments of, well, I don't want to spend all of my real money just to get Walgreens cash back. So I get that. And I think it depends on where you are in life, right? I don't live month to month. I am at a place where I can spend more one month and then spend less in subsequent months, and it all shakes out for me. Now, some of you may be living paycheck to paycheck and you don't have that same flexibility. So you need to make sure you stay within budget for that 2 weeks or for that month. We all are going to do it differently. But for me, if I can spend $30 this week on items I would normally spend $40 on, and then next week I don't have to buy those items, like that's a win-win. So I use my Walgreens cash to buy things I need when I see them at a good price. So I look for clearance items, okay? Look for clearance items that you need that will save you from having to go buy it at the grocery store. I use my Walgreens cash on sale items. So sale items that are a lower price point than I would have to pay at my grocery store, I use my Walgreens cash for that. I use my Walgreens cash to buy products that I get money back from on Ibotta, because then I'm turning that Walgreens cash back into real cash. And full offer rebates. So that's a big one, and I'm going to talk about that one. A couple of different full rebates you can do. I rolled like $10 in Walgreens cash, got $10 back in my Venmo account within 12 hours. So I'm rolling Walgreens cash back into cash in my bank account. So I'm going to talk about that. Photos. If you have to develop photos, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for that as well. Okay, so let's talk about clearance really quick because tons of pictures at the end, but I noticed this Nantucket, the green mountain K-Cups. So this is something that I have to buy at the grocery store. Not necessarily this brand, but I have to have coffee in my house. So I use my Walgreens Cash to pay for these. These were marked down from $10.99 down to $2.79. I purchased 2 of them, used $5 in Walgreens Cash, and paid the change out of pocket. So that's one of the clearance items that I bought this morning. Again, additional pictures. I saw a few items that were like 90% off, so definitely check for those at your store. Now, full rebates. Let's talk about full rebates, and I will post these down in the comment section, so go to the comments, look for the first comment, and I'm going to give you the link to these rebates. So this Pure Boost, it is $9.99. I picked this up. I submitted my receipt. I got $9.99 back in my Venmo account literally within 12 hours. So I rolled my Walgreens Cash into real cash. So I'm getting my money that's sitting in my Walgreens account back out of my account and into my bank account. Now at $9.99, remember you can use $10 in Walgreens Cash, so you're going to have to add another item to get you above that $10 mark to be able to use the $10 in Walgreens Cash. So pair this with something else. Now this I had already done. I didn't do this recently, but there is a full rebate for the popcorn as well. I will include that rebate link pinned in the comments. So check the comments for the link for both of these rebates. So if you can roll your Walgreens Cash back into your bank account getting free products, why not? Oh, I knew there was one more clearance product that I bought. The California Pizza Kitchen. This was $2.79 marked on clearance, so I used my Walgreens Cash to pay for this one as well. Lots of freezer items were marked on clearance at my store, so definitely check your store. The candy aisle, also tons of clearance. The grocery aisle even had quite a bit of clearance. It was really picked over at my store, but check those aisles because you can use your Walgreens Cash to pay for those clearance deals. Now, just an easy grocery deal anyone can do, the Prego pasta sauce. This is $3.79. They're buy one, get one free. That makes them $1.89 each. Super easy deal. Use your Walgreens Cash to pay. Same thing with the Planters peanuts. They are 2 for $4. I did not buy these this morning. I just put them on my table so I can show you. You can see there's some eaten. These are 2 for $4. I had $1.50 digital, and this one didn't pop up today. It was in my account already, so I could have used that to get my price down to $2.50 for both of them, or just $1.25 each. Again, use your Walgreens Cash to pay. There's a decent deal on the Kellogg's cereal this week. Both the Special K and the Fruit Loops, they are 3 for $6.79, but check your Ibotta app because there's a $1 rebate back on each of them. So I paid $6.79 using Walgreens Cash. I got back $3 from Ibotta, making it $3.79 for all 3 of them, or $1.26 each. Of course, if you have coupons, you could use coupons on top of that. Just double check the Ibotta offer. Since I didn't have coupons, I didn't double check it to see if you could combine it. I think you can. But there's also a promo going on right now for Kellogg's Feeding Reading program where you get a free book when you buy a participating Kellogg's product. So save that receipt because you can submit it to this program and get yourself a free book on top of your cereal. Now, a couple of other deals, the Shea Moisture, and I noticed that these were on clearance at my store yesterday when I was there, but we got a $6 digital coupon that popped up this morning. So these were marked on clearance for $3.29. They're also buy one, get one half off. So it's going to be less than that $6 coupon, which means online, if you place it for curbside, it's going to automatically adjust down to the price of the item, making them both free. Now in store, if the price for 2 of them is below $6, that $6 digital coupon will not come off. So if you're doing it in store, just make sure after the buy one, get one 50% off and the clearance, it still has to be above $6 for that $6 digital to come off in store, or you could just place it for curbside and it will make them both completely free. Now this Olay deal was really good. So these are 2 for $10, but they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So that makes them $7.50. I had a $5 digital coupon that came off when I put these in my cart, making them $2.50 for both or just $1.25 each. I used Walgreens Cash to pay for everything. There is no issue using Walgreens Cash to pay for the rebate items. Again, I was your guinea pig. I tried it out. I did it yesterday. I already got the $9.99 back, so don't worry about using your Walgreens Cash to pay for that. Other deals I saw this week, the complete home trash bags, $1.99 sale price. The Nice brand or Walgreens brand cereal is $1.99. So if you just don't want to deal with coupons or rebate apps, snag yourself some $1.99 cereal, use your Walgreens Cash to pay. The toilet paper, Walgreens toilet paper was $1.99. If you don't like that kind, you prefer the Scott, it's $5. There's $1.25 store digital that will come off for each one that you purchase. That makes those $3.75 each. The Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is buy one, get two free. That makes all three of them $7.49 or $2.49 a piece. The Lunchables were on sale, 2 for $4. The Aunt Jemima pancake mix was on sale, 2 for $5. The Simply Lemonade was on sale, 2 for $5. I believe those were the majority of the grocery deals that I saw for this week. What else are you guys finding? What are you getting? What deals are you doing? Let us know down in the comments. I love it when we help each other. I love seeing the additional deals down in the comment section. So don't forget to check there. Anything I'm forgetting? Oh, the Fetch Rewards app. I did notice this morning on Fetch Rewards, there was an offer for spend $30 on the Unilever products, get $10 back from Fetch Rewards. Now, Walgreens has a number of Unilever deals this week with the Dove and the Axe and the Shea Moisture. So if you want to put together something like that, don't forget to check your Fetch Rewards app for that $10 back when you spend $30. Now for me, it always calculates that $30 after coupons. I know other people have said it includes their coupons. For me, it never has. It always takes my actual subtotal after the coupons come off when it counts towards those spend deals on the Fetch Rewards app. Anything else I want to tell you? I think that was everything. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I'm going to kick myself when I'm editing this video and I'm like, oh, I meant to tell them this. That happens pretty much every week. So I hope you guys have an amazing week this week. Don't forget to check out the clearance pictures at the end of the video because hot, hot, hot clearance deals this week. Bye.